Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I'm going to share a miracle story of doing istighfar. I used to ask for forgiveness, istighfar, day for only a quarter for an hour. And I graduated from university with honors. Even all the girls with me were surprised and I got a job. Alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah. A colleague of mine committed to seeking istighfar, committed to seeking forgiveness, succeeded in university, alhamdulillah, and graduated. After graduation, she got married and now, alhamdulillah, she had children and now her life is better than before. It's just because of saying Astaghfirullah. I am now committed to seeking forgiveness, saying Astaghfirullah, and praying all the time. May Allah fulfill my all wishes. My auntie is committed to seeking forgiveness, means saying Astaghfirullah, reciting Astaghfirullah, and reciting Quran, giving charity to the needy people, and keep praying. You would not believe how her life changed from poverty to richness. Marriage, children, money, and her exchange of large sum of money. May Allah grant them wealth. Indeed, prayer changes destinies. If we keep doing istighfar, if we keep praying, Allah gives all the things which we want in our life, because Allah can give all the things. Another miracle story is, I have followed your page since about 2 months probably. I started doing istighfar about 1000 times or more than this. And it is just 1 month that I'm doing daily istighfar almost 1000 times daily. So many things in my life had been stuck previously. I just started the wazifa without any hope. I just started saying Astaghfirullah without any hope. Suddenly in Ramzan, the job where I had left, disheartened, called me back. I was surprised, and along with that, one got 2 more offers. Means I got 1 job and 2 more offers are there to join. I was surprised, and one from a previous contractor as well, who had finished the contract with me. It was just like a door had been opened, and opportunities and good things are coming to me, barakat and blessing, etc. And I'm seeing in my life that my life is getting better. My things are getting improved just after reciting Astaghfirullah. Another matter had been delayed since past years, suddenly wrapped up within 1 month, alhamdulillah. It just came to a final conclusion so beautifully. The matter resolved itself. I was in complete and utterly shock. I want to share this story because if anyone reads it, and please, if anyone start reciting istighfar, those people, they start reciting istighfar, inshallah their life will change. They will get success. They will get their dreams come true in their life. The more you remember Allah, the more matters will become resolved. Don't give up hope. Just start reciting Astaghfar. Be consistent and keep praying. If you keep praying, if you keep doing istighfar, and if you keep asking for forgiveness, inshallah ta'ala, Allah give all those things which you want. And if anybody is listening this story and starts reciting istighfar, and their life will become changed, inshallah ta'ala, it will develop a chain, one after one, and we all start reciting istighfar, and inshallah ta'ala, our life will become changed, our dreams come true, our problems will solve, and our issues will solve, and Allah will forgive us. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairan.